You want to change, you want to get better, you want to see changes around you. Concept number one is, what am I focused on? And how am I going to gain awareness with what's in the focus? This is concept number two. It is, you're going to go far and fast if you can be really narrow in a particular target area or with a person or with a scenario, rather than in general, I want to be more empathetic, or in general, I want to be more confident, or in general, I want to be a better speaker. Getting granular and narrow and specific is the fast path. So that's number two. The third is being able to take baby steps. I think a lot of high achievers are really hard on themselves for, I ought to be able to do this already. I ought to be able to, I'm smart. Why can't I do this? Well, it's because oftentimes we try to go from here to perfect. Just because I know something doesn't mean that I can translate that into what am I actually doing. So keep in mind that we change and grow in baby steps. Is what I like to call the progress enjoyment cycle. So in the very beginning, you're probably not going to be very good. I like to say the first three letters of success is suck. You're just not quite so good at it, even if you want to. So to recognize that getting better, shifting the dial, making improvements, why not choose to enjoy it? Because if you hate on it, if it makes you mad, if it's frustrating, you're automatically putting yourself in a less capable spot than if you decided to play around and enjoy the progress cycle. Aspect of human behavior is that I'm motivated by avoiding pain and gaining pleasure. So when we're looking to do new things, when we're looking to change and grow, when we're looking to have conversations, when we're looking to talk about feelings, some people think that that's really pleasurable. Other people might want to avoid it like the plague. So based on how we've associated with empathy, with feelings, with conversations, with public speaking, we've all have our own motivational lens, if you will. So just to know kind of the human behavior 101, I'm motivated to gain pleasure and motivated to avoid pain. This last concept is really fun, and I'm hoping that you'll use it in your do-it-yourself coaching journey. In order to gain awareness, we want to become an observer. There are two kinds of observing that we do. Imagine that you are in a movie theater and you are actually in the movie itself. You are the person doing it. You're an actor. So that's one way of looking at it. The other way of looking at it is, imagine that you are in the theater seats watching yourself in the movie. So now I'm the observer of, what am I doing? How are my conversations going? What is this, what's happening in the life? So there's a split version of how do I observe in order to get better, in order to increase my awareness and improve. Able to watch and be able to notice, or am I the person actually doing it? But those are the two ways of noticing behavior, gaining awareness, and focus.